Welcome to Lexington County Public Library Storytime with me, Miss Josie. I have a new friend with us today. It's a little owl. Let's get started with our welcome song. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. The more we read together, the more we read together, the happier we'll be. Read big books and small books and short books and tall books. The more we read together, the happier we'll be. So this is my little owl friend. But he doesn't have a name. We need to come up with a name for him. If you have any suggestions, you can have your grown-up put it in the comments below. We'll see what we can come up with. So we're going to read some books and have some fun. Let's get to our first book. Our first book, Little Owl's Night by Divya Saranvison. Published by Viking. Little Owl was having a wonderful night. He watched the funny possum family waddle along in a neat row. Hedgehog sniffed around at the mushroom patch. Skunk was eating berries because he could find no snails. By the river, beavers gnawed at trees. Turtle hid in her shell as fireflies danced all around. Little Owl visited his friend the raccoon. As they sat in the clover, fog rolled in and hovered just overhead. Moths fluttered towards the moon. Silver dust fell from their wings. Little Owl wanted to follow, but it was time to head home. On the way, Little Owl flew by Grumbly Cave. Bear was inside, snoring up a storm. "Wake up, Bear! Don't sleep all night," Little Owl sang. "I want to show you the moon." But the bear kept snoring as usual. Little Owl flew home to his tree, gazing at the sky. He wondered if the bear had ever seen stars. Little Owl sat on his branch. How he loved the night forest. Frog croaked softly. Cricket chirped smartly. Little Owl heard rustling at the foot of his tree. Fox had come to say hello. It was late now. The bats were gliding home. "Mama," Little Owl whispered, "tell me again how the night ends." "The moon and stars fade to ghosts," Mama said. "Spiderwebs turn to silver threads. Dewdrops sparkle on leaves, and grass like tiny stars come down. Moonflowers close and morning glories open. The sky brightens from black to blue, blue to red, red to gold. The rooster crows, the crows caw, and the day begins," said Mama. But Little Owl did not hear. He was fast asleep. The end. Let's play Little Mouse, Little Mouse. Do you remember how to play? Somewhere behind all the different color houses is a little gray mouse. And you have to say, Little Mouse, are you in the... And then you guess which color. And I look and we see if he's there. Ready? Where should we go first? How about blue? Little Mouse, are you in the blue house? Let's see. No little mouse. Where should we go next? How about orange? Say it with me. Little mouse, are you in the orange house? Let's look. Nope, no little mouse. How about yellow? Let's say it again. Little mouse, are you in the yellow house? Let's look. Oh, there's little mouse. We found little mouse so quickly. Let's do it again. All right, where should we go? Little mouse, are you in the orange house? Nope. Where should we look next? Little mouse, are you in the greenhouse? Nope. You know, a greenhouse is someplace where they grow plants. Little mouse, are you in a red house? Nope. That red house always reminds me of a fire station for some reason. What color is your house? Mine's pale yellow. Not quite that bright. Let's see, where should we go next? Little mouse, are you in the gray house? There's little mouse. Look, it's the same color as he is. He was in the gray house. Good job, you guys. Squeak, squeak. Let's do a craft. We're gonna make a little owl. So you're gonna need scissors. So you might need an adult, a big person to help you. We're gonna use paper plates. These are little ones, but if you have big ones, that'll work too. This is just a little piece of orange construction paper that I cut out as a beak, but you could draw it for sure. So, what do we know about owls? They have wings. So we're gonna fold this paper plate in half and cut it right down the middle. Be really careful. Scissors can be sharp, but we don't want anybody to get hurt. So these are gonna be his wings. So we're gonna glue them to his body, and it's up to you. You could, there is no right and wrong in arts and crafts. So you could have his body be this way with the wings underneath like that, or you could have it be the other way. It's really up to you. I think I'm gonna go this way. So we're gonna take our glue stick and we're gonna put some glue on here so that we can attach these wings to the back of our owl body. Just like that. I'm gonna stick them on there and hope the glue sticks. Whoops, nope, sometimes it falls off. You know, art is kind of a trial and error kind of thing. All right, so that's gonna be our owl and his wings. So we're gonna put his beak on here now. Let's see, which way looks better? Do we like him like that? Or do we like him like that? It's up to you. All right, so we're gonna put his beak on him. I don't know if you know this, but owls hunt at night. They're nocturnal animals. They catch things like mice and snakes, and sometimes squirrels, things like that. They're silent flyers. When they fly and swoop in, the animal doesn't hear a single thing. They're so quiet. All right, now what do we need? Let's see, let's look at our owl. He has little feet. I don't really have a way to make feet, so let's just draw his feet on here. We'll draw his feet. And you can always improvise. Art is totally up to you how you do it. What else do we need? We need big eyes. Owls have really big eyes so that they can see at night because there's not a lot of light at night. So they have to have really big eyes to let in as much light as possible. So we're gonna do his eyes like this. So we've got eyes, beaks, and wings. What else does he need? Maybe we can color the backs inside of his eyes yellow. You could do whatever color you wanted. Let's see. I think I'm gonna draw some feathers on his chest. and maybe give him some long looking lines on his wings because they have really long feathers on their wings. Owls are really cool creatures. I have an owl that lives in the woods behind my house. It's a barred owl. And sometimes he makes a call that goes like, who cooks for you? And other times he kind of sounds like a monkey when he talks to another owl. I hear them from a distance and they'll talk to each other and they're kind of like, it's called caterwauling. It's very interesting. So there's my owl. I'm going to give him a little bit of a mohawk personality here with the feathers. What do you think? I hope you had fun with us today. Let's sing our goodbye song. Sing along with me. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly. Let's do that again. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly. Bye, friends. We miss you and hope to see you soon.